Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Tyler with Kennedy Concrete here. I wanted to showcase some footage we got of this beautiful hangar pad we poured in Weirfield, Florida. This residential area has its own airstrip where the residents can take off from. Most of the residents have their own hangar pads to store their aircrafts in the confines of their own homes. How cool is that? I hope you guys enjoy this footage, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks!